Hi guys, today I'm back with a video. Sorry I didn't post a video for 2 weeks, and today I'm playing YouTube Simulator X. It's an old game, and you can see I have because I played it for like 2 minutes and I got this one. So let's dig in and let's buy some equipment with this money. Let's go. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, and I'm back. And I started my second channel also. The name is Glacier Playz Reactor. I reacted to Naruto types video. You will understand everything. Okay. Which language do I speak? Everything I said. Let's just get the computer. And this is good. And this time I'm going for this. Now it's going faster. So let's go. Yes. And I created a new channel, and please don't forget to follow my TikTok also. Yeah, you can follow my TikTok. The name is Glacier Playz. The name is yeah, it's like TikTok and talk. Yeah, it's the same thing. We have a new computer. Oh, that's going faster than this one. For that, and my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, sorry for that. I'm sick lately. That's all. is red. See, I can play it for you. Let's see if I can buy it with this money. Yeah, let's see. Okay, yeah, this is good. How much click this game and how much? Okay. Let's I will do a song also. If you want to listen to that song, then you need to be on my reaction channel. I will give you the name in the link description. I don't know what this video. So the first thing, but I don't know. Like a little bit. I don't know too much about me because it's a private, you know. And let's put this over here. And I'll close. Start doing it. Not that fast. Can I do it? Not that fast. Okay. I have 11,000 again. And you can recommend me like games. I can't remember every of the games. You say that if I could, I will. Guys, I think that was it for my today's video. That was it for my today's video. I will meet you meet you in the second video. Then I will upload a part 2 also. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's see ya guys. I hope you have a good day.